3 plus 0 equals 3. There are 3 bald eagles. 1, 2, and 3. If we add 0 bald eagles, the number of bald eagles will remain the same. So 3 plus 0 equals 3. Three plus 1 equals 4. Let's learn this by using peacocks. 1, 2, and 3. If we add one more peacock, in all we have 4 peacocks. Adding means putting them together, so if we put them together, in all we have 4 peacocks. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. Three plus 2 equals 5. Let's learn by using trains. Count with me. 1, 2, and 3. This is a group of 3 trains. And if we add 2 more trains, then in all, there are 5 trains. So 3 trains plus 2 trains makes 5 trains. Three plus 3 equals 6. There are 3 zebras. 1, 2, and 3. Let's take 3 more zebras and put them together. In all, it makes 6 zebras. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Three plus 4 equals 7. There are 3 cyclamen flowers. 1, 2, and 3. This is a group of 3 flowers. If I add 4 more flowers, it makes 7 flowers. Adding means putting them together. So if I put them together, in all there are 7 flowers. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. Three plus 5 equals 8. There are 3 yellow flowers. 1, 2, and 3. This is a group of 3 flowers. Let's take 5 more flowers. This is a group of 5 flowers. If I put them together, in all, it makes 8 flowers. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. Three plus 6 equals 9. There there are 3 marigolds. 1, 2, and 3. This is a group of 3 marigolds. Let's take 6 more marigolds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is a group of 6 marigolds. If I put them together, it makes 9 marigolds. So 3 plus 6 equals 9. Three plus 7 equals 10. Let's use daisies for this video. There are 3 daisies. You can count them. 1, 2, and 3. If I add 7 more daisies, then I should expect that they make 10 daisies. Adding means putting them together. So if I put these 2 together, in all, there are 10 daisies. So 3 plus 7 equals 10. Three plus 8 equals 11. Let's use snapdragon flowers for this video. There are 3 snapdragon flowers. 1, 2, and 3. This is a group of 3 flowers. Let's take 8 more flowers. This is a group of 8 flowers. If I put them together, it makes 11 flowers. So 3 plus 8 equals 11. Three plus 9 equals 12. Let's use cyclamen flowers for this video. There are 3 cyclamen flowers. 1, 2, and 3. This is a group of 3 flowers. Let's take 9 more flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is a group of 9 flowers. If I put them together, it makes 12 flowers. So 3 plus 9 equals 12.